Amy. Dude.
You might have to fight me for it.
Gonna be honest. I knew it was gonna be here.
Hey, Jeffy. How'd you know?
Turn your location sharing off.
What? Oh, we did turn it off.
Alright, look at it.
Oh my god.
You like
I
it?
can't believe you guys got me a car.
Check it
Open
out,
it.
man.
I'm
Come
not-
on, man.
I don't know what to say.
Loaded, man. Brand.
No.
Brand new.
This isn't mine.
Yeah, it is.
Check it out, man. You gotta drive it down the street. Brand new. What do you think, man?
Nice.
I gotta take my shoes off when I get home.
I know. I've had to drive it today and I've been cleaning it non-stop.
He's like, I gotta take my shoes off. I love it. He's taking care of it already.
Good.
Gotta wash it every day, man.
You think the interior?
Amy, no. Amy.
It's alright. He knows how to take care of it. Believe me, he ain't gonna let Amy get in there screwed up. Look at Amy. She loves him so much.
What do you think, man?
He don't know what to say, does he? He's
No, I
like
don't.
dumbfounded.
I don't even know what to say. Like, I don't even think this is mine.
Well, it might not be if I keep driving it.
Yeah, April's fixing to take it away from you. She's been driving it all day today.
No, it's
Do
fake.
you want to drive it now?
You can
Yeah,
drive it
here,
down the
look.
street.
I got you some stuff for your car.
Come on.
Alright. Bring it over here. Or like,
You can drive it down the street, man. Look, April's got y'all
Knox.
set up with all your little goodies to go with your car.
Some cleaning stuff, all these
yeah.
towels, a
They've been
first
scared
aid
to death
kit
saying that
Oh, yeah.
for your car,
fireworks have been going. That's why they're acting like this.
air pressure.
Fireworks have been going crazy over here.
You want to take it for a ride?
I mean, of course.
Of course, he said.
I'm going to.
Hey, you gotta hook up your telephone so you will not get on that telephone. We gotta hook it up where you just push the button. If I call you, you just say, hello, Mimi. You won't be on the phone.
Does it do a run?
Hook it up through your phone. Speaker.
Sure.
Get in there.
I don't really
Get
know
in there. He's just going through the neighborhood, honey. He'll be alright.
No.
Come here, baby. You can't go. You go another time. You go another time. Oh, Bubba's gonna love this.
Wait.
Come on, baby. Woo! He's so excited. He don't know what the damn to say, does he?
Put 10 windows on it.
Oh, I know. Bobby's like, oh, that day don't get too dark. Don't get too dark.
Get them on.
Come on. Now get out of the way.
I'll make time.
What you think, Bubba?
Crazy.
Ain't worth a piss, is it?
No, I'll hide it.
Yeah,
I'll hide
take
the
a
keys.
piss. Mama